To condemn the heinous murder of late Kerman Lingdo Nonglait by Raju Rajbhar on the 11th of May, the Dorbar Shnong of Erpakon today organized a public meeting along with a peace rally. The rally witnessed the participation of all the local residents of Erpakon village, accompanied by various social organizations of Khasi Jaintia Hill and Ribhoi district, local women organizations and school students. The speakers strongly condemned the murder occurred at Erpakon and also strongly demanded the police department to take up the matter seriously and to punish the culprit with the relevant section of law with life imprisonment. The Agro Vision 2020